Hey everybody, welcome to the Healthy Eats Good Life channel. Today we're going to go over the top foods to eat on a diabetic or ketogenic diet. These foods are healthy, tasty, nutrient rich, and best of all, affordable. Most of these foods are important to include in our diet if we want to lose weight. I hope this is helpful to those interested in a healthy lifestyle and should easily form some food staples for your weekly shopping list. Make sure to watch until the end because I will be sharing a lot of important information about these healthy foods. Please subscribe to the channel so that we can help you with tips on improving your health and wellness. Now let's get right into the video. Food number one is lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy vegetable rich in vitamin K, A, and small amounts of vitamin C and iron. It's made up of 90% of water, and eating lettuce helps us to keep the body hydrated. Lettuce also promotes sleep. It's normally a delicious base for most salads and has a pleasant, crisp, and refreshing taste. The good news is diabetics and people following a keto diet can eat large amounts of lettuce without increasing their blood glucose levels rapidly due to the low calorie count. For those who want to lose weight, lettuce is a good addition to their diet on a regular basis. Food group number two, kale. Kale is a very nutrient-rich food, yet low in calories. A cup of raw kale contains vitamin A, C, K, B6, manganese, copper, and magnesium. Kale is a versatile ingredient that can be used to make green smoothies or cooked alone or added in stews. It's a delicious addition to any healthy keto and diabetic diet. When eaten regularly, kale can help you curb craving and keep you feeling full for longer. This is important for those who want to lose weight as well. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a cheap, low-calorie nutrient powerhouse. It's high in vitamins, iron, protein, and minerals, and combining spinach in the diet helps to improve the blood glucose levels in diabetics, improve bone health, and lowers the risk of cancer. Like kale, spinach is a versatile ingredient used in soups, smoothies, and stews. Broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood. It's packed with nutrients, fiber, and protein. It lowers the risk of heart disease. It's high in vitamin K, which strengthens bones. Broccoli contains vitamin A and vitamin C, which have anti-aging properties. Broccoli also has potassium, which is important for heart health. It's a low-carb food that fits well in a diabetic and ketogenic diet. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vegetable with a good source of vitamins and fiber. Cauliflower has low cholesterol and saturated fat. Some of the nutrients in cauliflower are protein, niacin, minerals like magnesium and phosphorus, fiber, which aids digestion, vitamin B6 and K, folate, and potassium, among others. It aids in weight loss and it has high antioxidant properties. It's delicious as a soup, steamed or fried, and has a meaty flavor. It's low in carbs, ideal for vegetarian, diabetic, or ketogenic diets. Asparagus. Asparagus is a vegetable that comes in different colors such as purple and green. It's a tasty ingredient and can be a good addition to many meals. Asparagus is good for weight loss as it has low calorie count and full of minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Similar to other green vegetables, asparagus is high in antioxidants. It has vitamin C, E. Asparagus has flavonoids which lower blood pressure, are antiviral and antioxidant. Asparagus is very high in insoluble fiber, supports a regular bowel movement. Asparagus has a low calorie count. This means you can eat it in large quantities without putting on weight, and this can be a very useful diet or very useful tip for those following a weight loss diet. Dairy, such as butter, yogurt, cheese, unsweetened milk, fresh or heavy unsweetened cream, is a good source of calcium and protein. It strengthens bones, can aid in weight loss, and decrease the risk of heart disease. It's a low-carb food that is a great and tasty addition to a diabetic or a ketogenic diet. Cream can be used to make tasty desserts that diabetics and people on a ketogenic diet can enjoy. Milk tea and milk coffee are safe for diabetics to consume on a regular basis as long as they don't add sugar, but they can use sweeteners like stevia or any other non-caloric sweetener that's safe for them. Yogurt can be consumed in smoothies for breakfast or as a late afternoon snack and has friendly bacteria, which is good for maintaining gut health. Mushrooms are a delicious addition to a diabetic and ketogenic diet. Mushrooms won't spike your blood sugar levels and help in controlling cholesterol. They are low in carb, high in protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Mushrooms contain protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some of the ingredients of mushrooms are selenium, vitamin C, and choline, and all these have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help eliminate free radicals and toxins from the body. The fiber, vitamin C, and potassium in mushrooms help with maintaining good heart health. Mushrooms can be a tasty addition to meals and have a meaty flavor. Lean red meats are a good source of protein because the amino acid makeup of meat is almost identical to our muscles. It's considered a complete source of protein. Meat contains the following vitamins and minerals: vitamin B12, selenium, niacin, zinc, and vitamin B6. Combined with strength training exercises, consumption of meat can help build and maintain muscle mass. Diabetics and people suffering from hypertension may want to avoid processed meats such as sausages, as they are high in saturated fat and fish. Fish is high in protein and vitamin D, which is important for our energy needs. It's a good food source that won't raise your blood sugar, as it's mainly made up of protein and zero carbohydrates. It's therefore good for a diabetic and ketogenic diet. Seafood is a good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which is good for heart health. Eat at least 2 servings of fish per week. Next is chicken. Chicken is another important source of protein and for a healthy balanced diet. Chicken is full of important nutrients like protein, niacin, selenium, phosphorus, and some B vitamins. Adding protein to your diet keeps you feeling full for longer, and this is important for weight loss. Chicken is a tasty and versatile food ingredient and can be prepared in many ways. Diabetics and people following a keto or a weight loss diet should consider adding chicken to their diet on a regular basis. Next is cabbage. Cabbages come in different colors such as red cabbage, white cabbage, and purple cabbage. They are a rich source of vitamin C, K, and fiber. Cabbages aid in digestion, relieve stomach ulcers. They boost immunity and they have antiviral properties and aid in weight loss. This ingredient is another tasty addition to a healthy diet. It has a sweet, crunchy taste and is low in carbohydrates. It's a cheap yet healthy food to add to a diabetic, keto, or vegetarian diet. It's a very good substitute for rice, potatoes, and other high carbohydrate or starchy foods. Next are almonds. Almonds are a very healthy snack comprised of the following nutrients: protein, fiber, and unsaturated fat, plus key nutrients like magnesium and vitamins E. Consuming 8 almonds a day has been known to curb cravings, and this is key for weight loss. Almonds are high in fiber, vitamin E, calcium, and niacin than any other nuts. Half a cup of almonds, that's about 24 almonds, contains magnesium, riboflavin, calcium, and potassium, and only 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber plus vitamin E. Additionally, almonds are a low GI food. Peanuts are a healthy source of many vitamins and minerals. These include copper, folate, manganese, biotin, niacin, vitamin E, thiamine, phosphorus, and magnesium. Peanuts contain antioxidants. These antioxidants are located in the peanut skin. A study found that in spite of its high caloric and fat content, peanuts do not seem to contribute to weight gain and may help maintain a healthy weight and reduce your risk of obesity. Peanuts help you feel fuller, and this reduces the risk of weight gain. Next up, walnuts. Walnuts contain good unsaturated fats, but they are also a valuable source of the omega-3 fatty acids, which is good for heart health. They also contain vitamin E, B6, biotin, and manganese. Some of these benefits of walnuts are they're rich in antioxidants and they may decrease inflammation, they promote a healthy digestive system, support weight loss, and may help manage type 2 diabetes as well as lower blood pressure. Apples. Apples are very nutritious, tasty, and a satisfying and healthy snack. Apples will not spike your insulin and blood sugar levels, and this makes them a very good option for diabetics. Apples have a low GI score. Apples are quite nutritious as they contain calcium, iron, water, carbohydrates, zinc, fiber, iron, and water, and several other vitamins. If you are looking for a quick snack in between your meals, look no further than this nutritious powerhouse. Apples can be eaten raw or baked into delicious low-calorie desserts. And lastly, strawberries. Strawberries and other berries like blueberries, raspberries, and cranberries are a healthy fruit option for diabetics and those seeking to lose weight as they do not spike blood glucose levels. Strawberries have fewer carbohydrates than most fruits. However, care must be taken not to exceed eating more than a cup of strawberries in a day if you are diabetic. They are a good source of antioxidants and fiber. Strawberries are a good dessert option. For instance, strawberries and unsweetened cream are a simple and delicious dessert and can be consumed in small amounts by a diabetic and those seeking to lose weight. So that's it. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about health and wellness and simple healthy recipes and tips and tricks for weight loss, mental health, and much more. Check out this playlist of my top videos on intermittent fasting and healthy lifestyle below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.